Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a reel cover on Canva. So this is applicable for any Instagram users that would like to have a cover on their reel to show on their profile grid or even on the Reels page of your profile. So the first thing you're going to do is create an Instagram story design. After either locating a template that Canva gives you or creating your own and opening that up, the first thing I'm going to have you do is to go into the Elements tab on Canva and locating the square shape under lines and square. So this little trick is actually going to show you what will appear on your Instagram feed. So not your Reels profile, but what will appear next to your pictures and your normal posts. So make sure it is centered and in the middle, just so you will get the most reliable information, and positioning it to the back so you can go ahead and move around your other elements. Feel free to add or remove anything from the template, make it your own. So my favorite thing to do is actually add pictures of myself or people on my team to make it as personal as possible. My favorite tool to use while doing that is the background remover effect. So this will make your picture transparent. You can actually go in and erase or restore anything that Canva went and did on its own. You are definitely not required to keep what the app does for you. And as you can see, you can go ahead and select show original image so you can see the background of your picture to have a better understanding of what you are either erasing or restoring. So after you, again, make the cover your own, you can go ahead and position the picture. Now, an important thing to remember while using this trick is to make sure to delete that square element before you go ahead and download your cover. Otherwise, it will be shown on your feed. You can select however way you want to download your design, and once you do so, you can go straight ahead and upload it to Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.